Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to install Python latest software on Windows 11. So first you need to open Google Chrome and then type Python org. So here you need to select welcome to Python org. Okay, this is the official website of Python. In this you need to select downloads. Okay, so in this is the latest version of Python 3.11.3. So if you want any other, okay, so if you want any other versions, you can select on all releases. Okay, so here it will show all the released versions. Okay, so here 3.10.11. Okay, so this was released on April 5th, and 3.11.3. Okay, this was released on April 5th. Okay, so you can download by using these options. Okay, so here I am downloading 3.11.3. Okay, so here the file is downloading. After downloading, you need to open this file. Okay, so here you need to mark this add python.ext to path. So this is for automatic path. Okay, after that you need to select customize installation. I'm keeping all the tick marks as it is, and then select next. So this is the location. Okay, Python installation location. Okay, so if you want to change, you can change by using browse. Okay, next click on install. So the Python software is installing. After Python software installation, you need to check whether it is successfully installed or not on command prompt. Okay. Yes. You can close this. Okay, so here the Python software is installing. Okay, so setup was successful. So installation is successful. So if you want to check whether it is installed correctly or not, first you need to open command prompt. Okay, so here you need to type Python space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so it will show the latest version of your Python. Okay, so the installed version of Python in your system. Okay, so in this way you can download any version of Python. Okay, so if you want more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.